What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Oh, and let me clear some stuff up too, man, because I butchered the name of my own channel, man. The name of my channel is Life with Big Boy. But my last video, I kept saying, I kept saying Big Boy's World. That's because I was trying to decide between the two, and I guess my mind was still stuck on Big Boy's World instead of Life with Big Boy. So that's why I was saying that, because I don't know, that's just what was stuck in my head. But for some reason I decided to just go with Life with Big Boy. But anyway, I just wanted to tell y'all that, and appreciate all the people that have subscribed to my channel, man. Appreciate y'all, man. Anyway, this video gonna be me swapping the tires out to the other tires, the off-road tires that I said I had got, cause those street tires didn't give me no traction. I couldn't do nothing. Like, all they did was spin. So it was trash. So I'm swapping them back out. I'm gonna put them the off-road tires on there that I got by the same, you know what I'm saying, same company, same pretty much everything, but they're off-roading, whatever. And I seem to get more grip with off-road tires. Even on street, I get more grip than I do with them street tires. Them street tires didn't do nothing but spin. I'll throw a little video up, little small clip when I was playing with it. I went home this past weekend. Me and my wife went to our hometown for a little her grandma's 80th birthday. I'm gonna throw a little clip up of that and let y'all see. And I try to explain about it in that video about how I'm not getting no traction. I can't really give it that much power or whatever. So I'm gonna throw that up and then check out the video. Oh, and I'm gonna also do some other stuff. I'm gonna probably try to do some vlogging, like if we go somewhere or something. Like, I should have been vlogging when we went out of town, but I didn't because I wasn't thinking about it. But I'm also do a top 10 of my shoe collection, what I like, my top 10 shoes. But other than that, check out the video, man. If y'all like it, hit that like button, share my video so I can get it out there, and subscribe to my channel if you ain't subscribed yet. Appreciate y'all. Peace. All right, you guys, so I put the tires on there, and of course it ain't gonna go in the grass, but on the street I can't give it a lot of power. Come on, car. I can't give it a lot of power because all it's gonna do is spin. So I think I'm gonna put my other tires back on. I remember that dude. Hey, I'm not cutting shit. I can't give it much power. I can give it a little bit. I can give it a little bit, and then it'll eventually start trying to curve on me. And that's maybe quarter throttle, whatever you want to call it, pull down by quarter, maybe 50% of the way. I cannot pull it all the way. It just started sliding. So these tires is a no-go, but they do look good sitting on there. I like it. It look like a white wall or something, but I do like it. So can't do nothing but. And they balloon, which I don't like that. I don't like that. They said you can put some tape or something in it. I don't remember. I'm about to do some more research. All right. Well, as you guys can see, I'm back again. These tires just ain't what it is, man. They too slick. They ain't got no grip. So it's time to take them off, man. I'm gonna post a video of me playing with it. I wasn't doing no spinning, man. Like nothing but spinning. It sucks. They look good though, but it just ain't what it is, man. I can't get no traction. As soon as I take off, I pick up speed. Even if, like, I start gradually taking off and picking up speed, as, you know what I'm saying, as I go. But it just didn't work, man. That thing just spin. I did not like it. Did not like it one bit. So I'm back. Swapping this stuff out again. So these are the other ones. The off-road one I told y'all I had. It's like more off-road or whatever. It's still got the same name and shit. But y'all want to see what's the name number? You can see that right there. You know what I'm saying? I had already opened this one. So, take the lid off so I can see it a little better. So I can't really line up that hex that good without. I gotta give me some different pins or whatever you call them. It's a little easier to get out of this shit here. It's for the birds, man. This shit is stupid hard sometimes. So I'm gonna do that like that. I set that up here, out of my way. This thing dirty, man. Look at all that. Man, I went home this past weekend, man. Let everybody want to play with them, man. They was going crazy with this shit. They couldn't believe how fast these motherfuckers is. They stupid fast. This old lady called me out with a Walmart car. So, that motherfucker. Man, this shit was funny as hell. Yeah, she called me out with a Walmart car, man. It was funny. I had a good time, man. Went home for my wife's grandmother's 80th birthday. We all rode down there. 5.5-hour trip. Oh my God. That shit is stupid, man. I hate long road trips. I mean, once I get there, I'm cool. I hate to drive there. I hate to drive back. But we did have a good time. I normally don't really enjoy myself when I go back home, but I actually enjoyed this shit, man. We had fun. I really did. Can't believe I did, but I did. Yeah. So that's what I'm doing, man. I'm really kind of tired. Fresh off work, man. And I need to make a video. My wife gonna be mad if she see all this shit on this damn counter. She don't want the Ross to get a fucking rub. Try to get me to go. I wasn't trying to hear that. So I know if I go, I'm gonna buy some and I don't need nothing. That's what she be wanting. She want me to get some. But these right here, I know these motherfuckers got stupid grip. I mean, absolute. I said I wasn't gonna buy no more absolute, but that apple is fire. For real. I had a raspberry one. That bitch was weird. It was not good at all. Oh shit, what the hell I just dropped? I don't know what it was. Something just dropped. I don't know. I ain't gonna worry about it. Whatever it was. Guess we're gonna be saying sayonara to that motherfucker. Let me line that thing up. Make sure. Yes, sir. I'm all lined up now. Hey, man. This is crazy. I can't wait to learn more and more about these cars, man. I miss cash days that they was having up in over here in Austin. Well, it's called Liberty Hill. They were having cash days yesterday, but I missed it because I was, you know what I'm saying, back home. So I didn't get to see it. I didn't get to attend. I didn't get to try to smash somebody, man. I ain't get to put that Traxxas Slash on nobody, man. You know what I'm saying? I think they had a run with your broom category or whatever. I think I would have smashed a few, man. I'm learning this car as far as driving it. Today, that boy a beast. Ooh. Secret to success right there, man. Don't listen to me. I'm just talking shit. Don't go tell nobody I said it's a secret to success. Unless you follow up and say, he was just bullshit. And you know this. Man. So, like I said, y'all seen the video at the beginning of the video, you see why I'm fucking switching these out. Also, that was, the beginning of the video was back in my wife's hometown, Atlanta, Texas. So, that's what we're doing now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come on now. I'm not tripping. Yeah, that's the front. There we go. That's what you want to go on, baby. What's wrong? These tires are a lot bulkier than the originals. Even these were, they like, I don't know, it seems like they're wider because the body be coming down on it. I don't know. So, I'm going to have to see. I wonder if I need to put some more spacers on my shocks just to keep it up a little higher. There you go. It's all done. So, if y'all like this video, man, you know what I'm saying? You know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. Check your boy out. You know what I'm saying? Share my videos. You know what I'm saying? Like my boy Stitch by Slick say, tell your mammies, tell your aunties, tell your cousins. Nigga. Check me out. I'm out of here, y'all. Peace.